Hey guys, so I picked up a UST survival card tool at the local Boscov's. 99 cents, if you could believe that. They're all over eBay. They just laser inscribed the logo on there. 2-year limited warranty. It's a piece of steel. It's not going to be that good. But shockingly, on the back it tells you what everything is, because when you get the Asian ones on eBay or Amazon, you don't really know everything. Ultimate Survival Technologies. It's ironic because my channel used to be called Urban Survival Tactics. Anyway, thanks for watching.